My brow girl quit Ulta. I'm happy for her, but I'm also really scared for me. Let's laminate our brows together, shall we? Step 1. And it says to leave on for 5 to 8 minutes. Apply solution evenly across the brow with a brush. And like shape in the desire you want. Make sure I'm like trying to make sure it's really even. Now we're waiting. It says now we remove with a dry cotton pad. So remove the excess. I was actually going to wet it. Step 2, really just the same thing, but we do it for 5 to 8 minutes. I'm just gonna leave this second one on for 5 minutes, not the full 8. Now for this one, we will remove with makeup remover. Best on the market, period. You guys, this almost seems too easy. I'm like, I hope I'm doing it right. Now for the conditioning solution, we will do the same process and leave on for 8 to 12 minutes. Okay, this one is super runny, so oh my gosh, I think I'm just gonna be careful. This one is like really runny. Oh my god, it's like dripping everywhere. I wanted to just put it on the brush, but just started dripping everywhere. It's so thin, like I hope. Yeah, I think I'm good. And now I'll wait. I'll probably do it for 10 minutes. This says to remove the excess with a dry cotton pad. For me, it's like already dry, so. Oh, you guys, I hope my brows don't fall off by tomorrow. Final step. And this says 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, each time you need to use a new clean brush and a new clean cotton pad, just in case if that wasn't obvious. I'm scared. I hope this one doesn't just like jizz out the way the other one did. Ah, okay. I'm sure there's like brow artists out here like screaming with the way that I'm putting this on. I know, forgive me. Forgive me. Now we wait again, 3 to 10 minutes. I'll probably do 7. Sounds good. Now we remove with a dry cotton pad any excess. You do not want to wash your brows for about a day, so 24 to 48 hours is the recommended choice, which works out perfectly because next, so stay tuned because we are going to tint our brows together as well. And it's the same rules for the tint. So there you go. I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Hope this helped. Mwah.